Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another quick tutorial. You will see 4 of these during the holiday season. I don't know what number this is because I didn't plan that far ahead. I am being induced tomorrow, so needless to say, again, did not plan that far ahead. Okay, so we are taking Nude with an Attitude, and I have some red on my brush still, so this turned out a little bit more pink, but when we come with the second layer, because I clean off my brush like a lot, it is totally normal. But again, I'm just putting that first layer down, and then we're going to cure that, and now we're coming in with our second layer, and you can see that's more true to color, so that kind of pinkish color is not true to color by any stretch of the imagination. Just that nude, which I find is like the perfect nude, and I love this color so much. That's probably, is it called perfect nude? No, I don't remember. I think it's Nude with an Attitude. Again, quiz me on that. So we are going to go ahead and cure that, and now we are coming in with our glitter. I'm sorry, this kind of goes out of focus every once in a while, and it hasn't come in focus, but it does come in focus once I realize that I'm not in focus. I believe this color is, oh God, I can't remember the color. I hauled it recently. Oh Lord. I'll put it below if I can remember. You know, pregnancy brain is real. So what I'm doing is doing the outline of the mitten, but I'm kind of building it up so it has a little bit of a bubble over the nail. So you could do this 2 ways. If you wanted it matte, which I think this would have looked so cute matte, like exactly like this, and then you draw your mitten, this would have looked so cute. I end up doing the whole thing shiny, but just think about it. Do a matte background, top coat it, come in with this, and then use a gel paint on top versus a buttercream. Actually, I did use gel paint, but you know what I mean? Like literally, I think this would have been everything. And of course I was out of shot for that. But I'm just coming around to draw this outline. I leave this in real time. Now I am not a good hand painter. So I wanted to leave this in real time. So I'm just outlining and then adding the fluff, and that's all I'm doing. So I'm going to let you watch this because it's kind of a hot mess, but I get there in the end, I think. But again, I wanted to show you all the steps that I take to achieve this look, and just know that practice makes perfect. And if you keep going and going and going like the Energizer Bunny, you'll get there. So I just wanted to show you kind of all my mistakes and fixing and stuff that you might run into as well. So I will let you watch it. All right, now we are going to come in and top coat. I'm using Kira Sky's No Wipe top coat, and just makes that glitter pop so much. Again, this would have looked killer with matte, and then you had just the shiny for the mitten. Would have looked awesome, but I like it. So we are finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my mistakes, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.